morning, beautiful people.
Good morning.
We just had a really exciting appointment with our new home designer.
We did.
Because we have a home designer because we're designing a house, guys.
He's a pretty fun dude. We were having
really fun dude. We didn't want to film him or anything, but we had a really good appointment and
we were a little ill-equipped though. He was like, do you have measurements? Do you have photos? Do you have anything? And we were like,
no. So, okay.
This is our first time doing this.
Yeah. And obviously, so this house is from 1974 and we don't have a floor plan for it. So the first steps that he said to do is go over there and just take measurements of the whole house and of each of the rooms and all of that. So we just kind of have a good, you know, foundation to start with, and then we can start changing things up from there. So we're heading home and we are going to pick up some of the kids that want to come over.
And then I'm going to get a haircut.
And Steven's gonna get a haircut.
Because I've got a little bit of a mop top happening right now, and it's just like so big and heavy that it won't
looks
do
good,
what
guys.
I need it to do.
It looks good. And also, another polo. You see, we picked up another one.
This
in a
one is for
different
the
color.
boys and the polos.
Yeah, so... So, we're gonna grab some of the kids and go take those measurements and get this guy a haircut. But it's an exciting day.
I'll be a little less, you know, cavemanish.
You couldn't be a caveman if you tried. Well, you probably could, but
I could be a caveman.
you look great.
I'm pretty cavemanish.
Okay. And guys, I made the most delicious green smoothie today. This is like a blueberry mango one, and I am very much enjoying drinking it, trying to be healthier here so I can keep up with this guy, who's also down another, what, 2 or 3 pounds?
Yeah, 216.
Woohoo! Meeting those goals. Hey guys.
Crushing it.
Welcome.
We are back. Who wants to come to the new house with us for a little bit so we can take some measurements?
I'm checking the tree. I'm checking the tree.
You guys can just run wild.
I'm coming.
Oh yeah. See if it's sprouted yet.
Millennium Falcon.
Do you want to go to the new house? Juice Box Biker Gang. Oh, I haven't seen that shirt in forever.
Sell those shirts.
Oh, I
designed this so that every one of the kids could have one, and I love them. So I think
they're so cute.
Comment down below if you think we should print a bunch of these. And
do some more of those. This is what we call the kids, the Juice Box Biker Gang.
We very, very rarely put merch up. We've just kind of had some issues. We did merch, and then the merch company we partnered with, like,
fell off the face of the planet
and didn't even. Anyway,
yeah.
It's a long story. So we've been hesitant to put any more out, but I think this is a winning design here.
Yeah.
Very Stranger Things-esque.
Looking cool. Yeah. Do you want to go to the house?
Yeah.
New house?
Bro,
do you want to go to the new house? You don't want to go to the new house? Let me guess. Do you want to play the Xbox? Is that what you want to stay here and do?
That's scary.
No. I just want to eat snacks.
Eat snacks? We could take some snacks over to the new house, though. We could do a picnic out there if we wanted to.
Upstairs, and I just go, what the heck? And like, Ethan ran upstairs and he's like, what? And I point up to the ceiling because there's like this huge spider and it was orange and everything. And Ethan goes, I'm out.
Yeah.
And runs downstairs, so this is what it is. It's in there.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
It's in there?
Yeah.
Oh, let's flush it
put it
away.
Yeah.
We'll flush it away.
Put it in my smoothie. Put it in
No, not my smoothie. Okay guys, so we are gonna go get Lincoln up from a nap in just a second, and the boys are getting a little snack here, and then we are going to head out for Steven's haircut and heading to the new house. So I'm really excited about that, but our house is actually really messy right now, and so we are going to go ahead, especially these floors here, they're super, super bad. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on our handy dandy Robo-Rock here, which has been keeping our house so clean lately. Thank you to Robo-Rock for sponsoring this video. We have fallen in love with this thing the past few months that we've had it. It has been a game changer and just so helpful when we're on the go, just being able to keep the house clean and you come back and it's all done. It's just definitely helpful for me. So.
And for those of you who are wondering what we decided to name our Robo-Rock, I know we sort of were on the fence. Initially we were thinking maybe Rosie because I'd always wanted like a robot maid, but we landed on Dobby. And he's our house elf, and when
Yes.
You guys like that?
Yes.
Yeah, you do.
Harry
Potter. That's like a Harry Potter name.
He is Harry Potter.
So Dobby's gonna clean the floors while we're gone. So, Jude, you want to do the honors?
Dobby, clean.
Starting to clean.
I'm a wizard.
Woo! You're a wizard.
You're a wizard, Jude.
You're a wizard.
I actually did it on my app.
Here we go.
Dobby, go that way. It is kind of going. Alright, careful not to go any closer. Dobby, go that way. I'm a wizard.
You're a wizard.
I said, Dobby, go that way, and it did.
Yeah.
I'm a wizard.
Getting it all.
The new Roborock S7 intelligently maps out my entire house down to the smallest detail, like where the furniture and carpet are on each floor, so I can choose where I want it to vacuum, mop, or scrub, and where I want it to steer clear. The intelligent mop lifts when carpet is detected using its ultrasonic carpet recognition, so you can mop floors and vacuum carpet all in one clean. Its new rubber brush, combined with amazing sonic mopping technology, scrubs my floors up to 3,000 times per minute to actually get all those caked on messes that other robots might leave behind without the tangles. But probably the coolest part is that the battery life can handle the whole house before it docks itself into the charging station. So you don't have to worry about it not being charged when you need it the most, which comes in super handy when you're a busy family on the go all the time.
Guys, we're absolutely loving our Roborock. It's saved us so much time. It made keeping our house clean so much easier over these last couple of months since we got it, and couldn't recommend it more. They're actually doing a huge sale on Amazon right now. So if you click the link in our description box down below, you're gonna go to their Amazon Prime Day deal special promotion, save a ton of money, and get one of the coolest products out there. You can have your own house elf, you can have your own robot maid, and really just make your life a whole lot easier. So check that out. I am gonna go get my hair cut now, look a little less like a caveman, clean up my own face, and we're gonna go make this house design amazing. So let's go.
Hi. Hi. Aww. Good job. Yay!
How was your nap? Did you have a good nap?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
He was awake when we came in.
Give a kiss.
Give a kiss.
Good morning.
Kisses. Nice kisses.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, we are gonna go bye-bye. He knows we're ready to go.
He's ready. Let's do it. Dude, I like the camo and the
Thank you.
avocado.
Hi.
All right.
We got
Aww.
That's it.
He says, I'm ready to play. Let's go, brother.
Go get your shoes.
Got shoes.
Those will come in handy at the property.
Oh, yeah. Got our cool boots on. Keep our feet all clean.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Say thank you.
Yeah, let's go, bud.
Let's go. I'll see you on the other side.
See you on the other side.
Hi. We did. Are you excited? Say I'm so excited.
Almond butter is so good.
I'm chilling my streak.
I know.
You're only streak half of it already.
Happy summer.
So it turns out that our favorite acai shop is right next door to where Steven is getting his haircut. So the kids and I just went in and got some acai bowls and smoothies, and we're gonna head over to the nutrition spot as well because the girls want to get like a special drink there. Kira used to work there for a while as a part-time job, and they've got some really yummy stuff too. So we're gonna head over there as soon as Steven's done with his haircut, and then head over to the house and try to get all these measurements and map out the floor plan and all of that, and just get a good idea of what we're working with so that our designer can be moving forward with some plans. So really excited.
Oh,
Hello there.
Hey!
How are we?
nice.
Wow! Looking nice, babe!
You did a good job. Hi guys.
That's got a good haircut.
Oh, it looks nice.
I
Wow.
like it. I'm happy. With
This
it.
is your first time at that place, right?
Yeah, I box with him at Rockbox. And,
Oh, cool.
he's just a cool Australian guy, Scottish Australian guy, and
Very cool.
you know, he's tatted up and motorcycles and cuts hair. He's awesome.
That's
so
awesome.
I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go with him.
It definitely had cool vibes. That's Cheers. Here's your good haircuts, and let's go to the house and
let's go measure.
Get it measured up. Woo-woo.
Measure twice, cut once, right?
Yes. That's what they always say.
That's what they say.
What did you say? I said home sweet home, and what did you say?
It's kind of ugly, but on the inside it's ugly, but on the outside it's good.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it into really beautiful, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna turn this brick all into white brick.
That's true, we are gonna paint it. It's gonna be so nice, and we're gonna add some bedrooms. Do you wanna have a bedroom upstairs?
Yeah.
It's gonna be cool. We gotta build an upstairs first, huh?
I want the upstairs to be like a 3 bunk bed.
Ooh, some built-in bunk beds. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Got it? Watch your fingers. Good
Like
job.
A bunk bed that has 3 stories.
3-story bunk bed. That's a good idea. What a beautiful day. Here's got her new drink from the nutrition.
It looked like that, like the little like rainbow before I mixed it.
Oh, you mixed it up. Okay.
It tastes so good.
It kind of tastes like a grape drink to me.
It does. It tastes like cherry to me.
Cool.
It's so good.
That's awesome. What'd you guys find? Some walking sticks? Whoa, those are huge.
We're gonna make a slingshot out of it.
Oh, that's like the world's biggest slingshot. That's so funny.
Yeah, it's like one from Angry Birds.
Whoa, that's cool. Just be careful not to poke anybody, okay?
That looks like the slingshot from Angry Birds.
Just
From
put
Angry
one on each
Birds?
side of your head and you'd be sweet tooth.
That's so funny. This kind of looks like Gandalf's staff or something.
Yeah, it does.
Huge.
Go like this. You shall not pass!
You shall not pass!
Hey, that's pretty
Hey,
good,
that was
buddy.
good. Wow.
I'm gonna do it
You
even
go.
louder.
You gonna do it?
I don't
No?
know how to stop.
You got some dirt on your face, bud.
I'm gonna do it even louder.
Even louder?
You shall not pass!
Wow.
If
That's
I was the
good.
Balrog, I would not be trying to pass.
Wow, the water's so low right now. Huh. Look at all the rocks and stuff. We are overgrown. We have got to get a mower in here and a weed eater. Or maybe hire somebody. You guys, you'll be learning. I'm sure you'll be learning at some point. Maybe not quite yet though. Yeah, this is a lot to take care of. All right, we're gonna go inside now and measure the interior. Get all of those rooms measured up.
Yes, you shall.
Oh my gosh.
I made it! Yeah. What the heck is happening? I just want to pass!
You shall not pass. Really?
Watch out for the cliff though, okay? Don't fall over. We don't have our fence up yet, huh?
This is really scary.
Yeah, don't hit for real though, okay guys? Definitely watch out for faces and heads and all that.
Look at anything! No!
Is that a good spot for you to have your drink? The carpet's actually pretty soft.
home, we actually swung by Just Love Coffee, picked up some dinner for all of the people.
Let me correct you. Our temporary house.
Oh, that's correct, yes. Our temporary home that we will be living in for a little bit longer while we make all of the things happen at the new place, which there are a lot of things that have to happen at the new place. But speaking of which, Amanda and I are going to get out our little doodle pads and start drawing.
We're gonna like do like a mock floor plan now that we have all the measurements, just so we can send something over to the designer and have like a good starting point.
And he'll make like real blueprints and like things that we can, you know, move things around and do all.
We're expanding out and up, so there's a lot of work.
There's a lot to be done. So we're gonna do that, draw that up, and then the boys and I are gonna watch Loki. And the girls are gonna watch all of some of the gymnastics trials and things like that for the Olympics that are coming up. Guys, are you Olympics people? Because we're totally Olympics people.
We're so excited.
We were so bummed when it got delayed last year and we didn't get to watch it last year. And now it's on and we are like full on in for the Olympics, ready to go. So Amanda's getting caught up on some of the championships and things like that.
I was introducing Penelope too, because she didn't like, you know, I mean, I remember because it was the first year that she was home. The Olympics happened last time.
The Winter Olympics, But
I don't think she fully remembered everything, so I was showing her like the gymnastics championship trials and all that, and so that was kind of fun. But we were up way too late, so we were like, we've got to finish this tomorrow. So.
They came in at like midnight, and I was like, I've got to be up tomorrow. Speaking of which, I got to be down early tonight, like I'm like or something.
We're gonna put him down early.
I'm getting my wisdom tooth removed in the morning, and so I'm gonna try to get some sleep tonight. So we got a lot to accomplish in a pretty short period of time. So we're gonna go ahead and hang up and hang out. And see you guys next time. We love you.
Love you guys.
You guys want to say bye?
Adios, amigos.
Adios, brochacho. Think you want to say bye?
Bye.
He's like, I got food to eat. You guys can say bye to yourselves. I'm going to eat.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back